Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn chapter 3, that is element, compound and mixture. Matter can be divided into three groups on the basis of its composition, that is element. First one, the element is the purest form of a substance which can neither be divided into two or more than two substances, having different properties, nor be built up from different substances of different properties by any physical or chemical methods. According to modern theory, element is the purest substance made up of atoms, all having same atomic number, that is, the number of protons in each atom is the same. Element is the basic substance from which other substances are formed. Occurrence and distribution of elements. 114 elements have been found so far. Out of them 88 are found in nature and the remaining have been synthesized. But nowadays this data is very old, so 118 elements have been found so far. This is the data of distribution of elements in earth crust and distribution of elements in human body. So first one is oxygen, 49.2% in earth crust, silicon 25.7%, aluminum 7.5%, iron 4.7%, calcium 3.4%, sodium 2.6%, potassium 2.4%, magnesium 1.9%, others 2.6%. Now distribution of elements in human body, that is oxygen 65%, carbon 18%, hydrogen 10%, calcium 2%, nitrogen 3%, phosphorus 1% and others 1%. Classification of elements. Elements are classified into two groups according to their properties, that is metal and non-metals. Metal are those elements which have lustrous, are malleable and ductile, have high tensile strength, and fourth, are good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are found in solid state except mercury. Examples: sodium, potassium, iron, copper, etc. Non-metals are those elements which have no luster, are not malleable and ductile, are brittle and are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals are found in three states: solid, liquid and gas. Examples: hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon and sulfur, etc. Metalloid, the elements which has the properties between metals and non-metals is called metalloid. Examples: arsenic, silicon, germanium, antimony, etc. Compound, when two or more than two compounds combine in a definite ratio to form a new substance which has properties different from the constituent elements, new substance formed is called compound. Now we are going to learn types of compound. On the basis of occurrence, the compound can be grouped as organic and inorganic. Organic compounds which obtained from plants and animals are called organic compounds. Examples: sugar, acetic acid, protein, fat, etc. According to the modern definition, a compound in which carbon is present except CO2, CO carbonate and bicarbonate is called the organic compound. Second one is inorganic. The compound which are combined from earth crust are known as inorganic compounds. Examples: sodium chloride, calcium carbonate, sodium sulfate, etc. Mixture: the substance obtained by mixing two or more elements in any ratio is called mixture. Example: air, seawater, solution of salt and water, etc. Types of mixture: there are two types of mixture: homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. First one, homogeneous mixture, a mixture which has uniform composition throughout its mass is called the homogeneous mixture. Examples: alloy, cement, milk, kerosene oil, etc. Heterogeneous mixture, a mixture which does not have uniform composition throughout its mass is called the heterogeneous mixture. Examples: gunpowder, smoke, etc. Thank you.